Hey creators, in this video we are going to set up a website for healthcare and medical services using WordPress core and a premium WordPress theme called Medova. It is a dedicated WordPress theme for health and medical services that can be obtained through the video description link at themeforest.net just for $29. And you'll get 4 pre-made website options using Medova, and this is one for heart care and another for pediatric, third for dental care, and another for general medicine. So if you are targeting any of these websites, this theme can be a good selection for you. However, we have multiple themes on this channel itself that you can explore and compare. Let us begin setting up the website for medical and health services using Medova WordPress theme. After watching this video, you will be able to create a website at your own for your services or for your client. So I am assuming you have already installed the WordPress core and you have already taken a domain name. If you have yet not taken the domain or hosting, simply follow the video description link, go to the WP Themes website, and you'll be able to get everything that you need for your website. Before we install, I'll show you the theme pack that you'll get at the theme forest. This is the installable theme file, which is 15 MB in size. You have to use this medova.zip file for installation purpose. Child theme is also included and the core plugin is also here. So we can begin simply installing the theme first. It's going to be simple. You don't need any technical knowledge for doing all this thing. You can simply add the theme by following the same steps that I am showing you. Choose the theme file here, that is medova.zip. Don't try to upload the complete folder and simply click on install now. It will take a while depending upon your server capacity and internet speed. Alright, it is done and we can simply activate the theme by clicking activate button here. Upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionalities of this theme. So we have these plugins: CMB2, Contact Form 7 as usual for creating contact forms. Elementor is the page builder that has been used. It is very easy to use page builder. You can customize your pages and contents using this plugin. Medova Core is a core plugin that brings a specific feature for your health services website. One-click demo import is for importing demo content. Redux is the framework that has been used, which works definitely very good with Elementor. So this is a very good technical combination, we can say. WooCommerce associates, WooCommerce add-on plugins are also here because this theme also supports WooCommerce. It means you can launch an e-commerce website using this theme. So I'm going to install all these plugins to show you the optimal things about the theme, and I'll give you the complete idea what exactly you can do with the theme. So it is important to watch the complete video, because when you are going to create a website using WordPress and a premium theme, you should know what features are available, how you can proceed, and it is important and understand before buying the theme. So this video gives you complete idea, and there are many, as I said. So you need to spend $29, but yes, after deciding the theme is adequate and suitable for your website project. And definitely we are going to help you through the iCreate program, where you can get all the supports for your WordPress website through the community, and there is a live chat feature for you where you can directly connect with a mentor. So explore the services at the iCreate, and you can join the Yours program if you want to have a digital success for your business and services. So this is a 12-week transformation program, and this really brings success on the digital front for your business. Just explore all the things. If you have any questions, join the live chat and a mentor will answer most of your questions. So okay, so on this screen, all green marks clearly indicates that all the plugins have been successfully installed, and we can proceed for activating all the installed plugins. It is also going to be very simply. So all the plugins have been installed. I am going to select all again, and this time I'll select activate and click on apply to activate all the installed plugins. Okay, so these two plugins require WooCommerce activated first. So this is why it needs. So we can go for a guest and all, and we can simply come back to the WordPress dashboard here. Okay, great. So we need to activate rest of two plugins, which depends on the WooCommerce. This is why it is not activated in 1K. Okay, all good, and we have successfully installed the theme and plugins. And you might be thinking, why these simple steps you need to watch? Because there might be some issues while you are installing any plugin or installing the theme. So you should be very clear that everything is working fine before you take any decision about the theme purchase. This is why hundreds of themes had been shown and overviewed on this channel. There are plugins, premium plugins, how-to guides, so that you may understand everything about WordPress and you can create your website, your dream website at your own. So subscribe the channel and watch the videos regularly coming on the channel. Further, now I have all the navigations and features that I can use for our website, and the website is now looking like this with the default layout. And of course, we have yet not imported any demo content as of now. So the next step is of course going to be importing a demo content where we can choose the layout for our website. So the one-click demo import is here, and this brings all the pages and the layouts and the images, I believe. So I have simply clicked on the import demo content, and let us see what it brings to our installation. So it may take a while depending upon the infrastructure you are using, but don't disturb the process while it is running on. What you can see, you can check the media library in another tab. If you are getting images here, it means the demo import process is going fine, and you just need to wait here until you are getting any message on this screen. Alright, so after around 7 minutes, I am here on this screen. It simply says, congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. So this is a very good. And why 7 minutes? Around 7 minutes. So the theme offers around 534 media items. I mean, simply 534 images included in the demo. This is why it took some additional time, but the 7 minutes, 7-8 minutes is fair enough. Okay, good. So now this is time when we can check how our website is looking with the demo content, right? And here it is. Yes, it is perfect now. So it is simply complete, and I can check randomly other pages. Okay, so I'll go to the home page first. Yes. So it is all good, and I can say internal pages are also well configured here. So doctor list, and we can say the doctor details, case studies, appointments. So this theme also offers the appointment booking feature, which is not exactly appointment booking but this is a inquiry form, but it is very important thing that should be on our website. And the hamburger menu is also very good. The internal pages included, the blog, the service pages, and 4 layouts, as I said. So this looks like a complete theme that you can choose for health and medical services website. And for additional features, if you need, we are here to help you. We can simply configure additional features as and when you require. So what you have to do, you can simply join the iCreate program and buy this theme through the video description link. You need to spend $29 and you'll get the quality check by Envato and the future updates for this theme in this $29 only. All future updates, yes. And you need to take a hosting domain, as you know. But yes, all is available through the WP Themes website, and our website, demo website, is complete. And now I'll quickly show you how you can customize the website. So it starts with Medova options. This is theme options, where we can simply handle the theme color and the heading color, the body color and all. Typography for handling the font, back on top, preloader options, admin label. So you can like admin logo, you can change here. In the header area, we have option to change the logo, the header style, and the mobile menu. Blog is here, and the page breadcrumbs, 404, WooCommerce pages, subscribe, and other major settings. So it can be done simply through this area. So I'm sure you can do all these things. And next I wish to show you the WP Clever is a thing where you can enable the additional features for WooCommerce. So this is very good enhancement feature for WooCommerce, just in case if you are planning to launch an e-commerce website. I must tell you, if you are not intended to launch e-commerce website, I mean with the business website, you are not going to launch the e-commerce services, you can simply disable 3 plugins. So I'll show you the plugins that we have installed. You don't need the WooCommerce itself, and 2 plugins, WP Smart Quick View for WooCommerce, WP Smart Wishlist. If you are not using the WooCommerce activity, I mean the e-commerce activity at the website, disable these plugins and delete these plugins. Okay. Okay, so you can simply upload the products if you are planning, like some products has been uploaded for the demo purposes. You can check the products, like I'll show you. So this is one of the product, and it works like an e-commerce website. So you can list your products, you can start selling using this feature at the website. And if you have any trouble, you are not sure how to upload the products, we are going to help you. Next, I have nothing special, but I must show you the number of pages what has been included in the demo import. 45 published pages in which we have all the home pages. So I'll show you randomly the dental care. All home pages are complete, so you can choose any of these home pages. As I said, the Medova offers 4 layouts, I mean the 4 home pages, one for medical clinic, dental care, the pediatric, the cardiology, and even, okay, so not only 4, I'm so sorry, it is for optimist and the nutrition, diet, physiotherapy, surgery center, and so the medical shop and alternative medicine, gynecology, and the mental health. So I'm so sorry. So it is not only 4, there are many segments that you can target, medical segments that you can target with this theme. So not only 4. Okay, so all the home pages has been included, like medical clinic version 1, 2, 3, 4, gynecology, like I'll show you very quickly. Yes, this is the gyno home page. It is perfect. So I'll show you the rest one. Okay, so home for optometry, I mean ophthalmologist, and this is another great view. Okay, great. All works good, all is good, and you can simply choose any of these layouts as per your requirement and the offerings. Wonderful. So we have all the elements, and for editing the content, like for example, if you are planning to edit the content, you can simply go with the Elementor page editor and you'll be fine to edit the content very easily, like you are working on a Word file. So simply click on the edit with Elementor option after opening the desired page, and the Elementor will be available for editing the content. So what you have to keep in mind, you just need to use the same dimension of image, same length of text content, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. Like this is the text where you can edit, and click on the respective section element that you want to edit. So just maintain the dimensions of image and length of text, so that you may maintain the design aspects all. So I'm sure you can do all these things at your own, and we are fine here to help you in launching any of these websites for medical clinic, dental, pediatric, cardiology, ophthalmologist, nutrition, diet, physiotherapy, surgery center, even for medical shop. So I'll show you the e-commerce version, exact e-commerce version. This is the exact e-commerce version for medical shop with the theme Medova, and this is also really very wonderful. Okay, so all good, and if you have any question, write in the comment section, or it is a good idea to join on the live chat after joining the program by filling the get started form. You have yours program as well if you want end-to-end digital growth, including websites and all. So discuss with the mentor about all these things and don't worry about the pricing. You don't need to pay a heavy amount, only nominal fees are there, and even for joining there is no fee. You just need to buy the theme, hosting, and the domain name, of course. So in the next video we are joining to create another good thing for your business, and good website, good features are here with the WordPress, and let us explore all. Thanks for watching. Keep visiting. Don't miss to subscribe the channel. Thank you.